Hi guys, in this video I will show you about how Notion works and how it can help you be more productive in your life and in your business as well. You can use Notion in your browser, so you can download it as an app to your computer or to your phone. I'm using it as an app right now on my Mac, so you will see this way. They have an amazing app to your phone as well, so you can basically reach any notes on the go. You can use Notion on any device as well in your browser, so it is up to you which way you like. I'm not too sure if they have a Windows app, but you can check on their website. As I said, you can use it easily, let's say in Google Chrome. So what are the benefits of using Notion? You can create databases in Notion, which is one of the main features of Notion, and by doing that it makes it very powerful compared to other similar services online. So I found one really good database. It's like a to-do list in Notion. It's called GTD, Get Things Done. So as you see here, there's like 3 databases, but they are connected together. So this one is like a main one, so you can add task names. You can click it on if it's done or not done, due date, some context, priority, duration, and you can also add a related project to it. So what you basically edit here, you can see here as well. So this project is linked to another task. You can add a task here, and also you can sort everything based on your own terms. So as you see, we created as a next review or overdue. So you can click on them and it's gonna show on the other tables as well. So let's say I added a task here, surfing in Portugal. If I click here as a high priority, it's gonna show up here as a high priority and high energy task. But if I'm clicking here, if I go back here, it's gonna change it here as well. So these tables are linked together. I will provide you a link down below, so you can create the old table for yourself as well. There's a YouTube video about it. Just go for it. But you can customize it however you want. It's up to you. It's just a quick view what you can do. And also you can see I save almost everything in Notion, so I can quickly get into it, even on the go. Or if I have a new note or a new idea, I can just save it quickly and I quickly can find it as well. It's a huge time saver, so you can save a lot of time doing this way. Also, it's good for productivity. I will show you some tips how you can increase the productivity with Notion. Also, you can build a second brain with Notion. I will have another video about this. You will find a link below when it's gonna be done, and many more things. So also you can create pages, so everything basically, as you see here, it's in a page. There's a plus button. You can add another page if you want, or text, to-do list, different headings, tables, bullet list, toggle list as well, and many more stuff. You can see here there's the databases. You can insert media, image, video, file, code, audio as well. This is like kinda a note, but with many more things. As you see, example in notes, I have a ton of notes, so it's really difficult sometimes to keep on track. Say in books, I read a lot of books and I like to copy and paste and important stuff. I like to highlight everything in the books, what is important, so I can just get quickly back to it. I don't have to open a books and then search for that article or that critical information. I'm just saving it and I can get back to it quickly. Let's say in the Hooked book, which is really good. So you see, I saved everything what was important from the book, and I can learn from it as well and then just get back to it quick. So that's what basically I want to recreate in Notion. As you see, all the stuff here, books, I'm just gonna upload it to Notion. Is gonna be everything in one place. I have some self-knowledge stuff as well. As you see, I saved a lot of notes here for, let's say, Insta text or websites or ideas. I saved everything here before Notion, so I'm trying to put everything back to Notion. It's gonna be everything in one place. So once everything is gonna be here, It's gonna be basically my second brain. So I'm gonna make another video about that. You will see how it's gonna be done and what's the benefits of it. Also, if you create a lot of pages, you can create a website as well from it. That's a paid option. Basically, quickly you can create a website with all of your notes and other people can have access it, or you can choose who can access it. So you can collaborate and make teams, stuff like that. Okay, let's create another page. So, test done. So basically you can text here, blah blah blah, and then basically you can share it as a web page. So you click here, share to the web, publish and share link with anyone. You need to click on this and then you have more options. As you share it as a website, you can allow editing or comments, or whoever visits this website, they can duplicate as a template. I wouldn't recommend this. And if you subscribe for a pro plan in Notion, you can find your website in Google as well. I'm not going to have this option because I'm not paying for Notion right now, but you get the idea. Basically, that's it. Here is your link, and obviously you can buy a domain and change this link for a custom domain. Or you can just copy this, and I will show you on the website. You paste this link, and there is your site. It's a web page. How cool is that? As you see here right now, I created the base for my online course in Notion. So I saved everything here, and from here basically I created again in the website, but I just copy and paste everything from here. So this way I was moving quick, so I wasn't creating everything on the website. It's gonna take a long time, making mistakes, you have to do it again, stuff like that. So I created everything here first, maybe added more stuff, and then uploaded everything quickly to my website, and the online course was done basically. Also, you can create timelines, plan ahead. It's really helpful to jump back to stuff and add more things, and then once you're ready, you can just upload your stuff anywhere to your store, online store or website or whatever you're working on. So you see, I'm managing my YouTube content here as well, email marketing stuff, marketing business plan, let's say design stuff, the legal documents as well. So everything in one place. You don't have to jump from folder to folder or manage different applications or pages or notes or whatever. Everything in one place. So as you see, basically I'm just gonna show you how I created my online course, but I'm gonna do a separate video about this just to show you what can you do with Notion. You can create like a toggle menu here, so you can write different stuff as a text, and then you can create a page inside in each toggle. So as you see, you can create as many pages as you want and then just organize them. This is a very easy way. You can give color as well to easily color code everything, as I do here. The green is which is done, purple will be in process later. So this way I can see easily what is done, what is not done, or you can use a different method. For me, this is the easiest. Also, one of the best thing in Notion, the templates. You can create as many templates you want, basically for everything. There are many templates which you can use straight as you start learning Notion. They are the basic ones. Also, you can create your own templates and your own databases with it. So it can be very powerful tool for you, for your productivity in teaching or in progress as well. And there are also templates you can buy online. Example on the Gumroad website where people create and sell their own templates. I'm gonna create my own templates as well soon, and maybe I will sell it on Gumroad. So you see, I created a template collection. I don't have much templates right now. I will do more for sure. But as you see, This one is like scripting templates for videos, and there is another one for blog post page, new scripting page, stuff like that. So once you click here, it's gonna open the template page, and you can add everything here. And once you click on this one, it's gonna create a totally new template of this page. So let's say I'm clicking on this, and here we go, and you can just reuse it anywhere basically through Notion. Okay, I'm just gonna delete this, and so as you saw, this, so it's creating everything just below this where I clicked. But if you want a different page, so you can create a separate page with it as well. So it's gonna create a totally new page which you can reuse basically. So there we go. Here's your template. You can add a different name, and basically it's saved, and you can just move it anywhere you want in Notion. Copy paste it to a page or a toggle or wherever you want. So once you click here, it's gonna create another one, so you can create as many as you want. As you see, it's very simple and easy, and you don't have to open different applications or note taking apps and other files and start everything from the bottom. You can straight away work on it. So as mentioned before, I downloaded a template from someone else, this business model canvas, and you can basically edit everything in the template, or you can reuse it or copy and paste it and duplicate it. So that's very simple and easy, and everything in one place. Alright, that's all for this video. If you like the video, press the like button and make sure you subscribe. See you in the next one.